Hello and welcome. It's Peg, and I'm so glad you're here. Today I was playing around with the Artful Lettering set, which is a paper pad and book from Joanne Sharp. And I do have that listed in my store on Amazon. If you're interested in looking at it, just click on the link in the description box below to go to my Amazon store. You don't have to buy it there, but at least you can take a look at what the book is and see whether it's something that interests you. So I am doodling. I am taking my pen and just having a good time. On Art Joy is Sharing this month, it was all about creative lettering. And so I wanted to do just something fun, something happy. So I am using my pen and drawing out my letters. Now, I did take a pencil because what I was doing was kind of a balloon letter. I decided it would be easier if I penciled in the word and then drew around it. So you can see what I've done is I have just doodled and doodled and doodled, be happy, and now I'm putting a bunch of circles on the edge, and it's all about the doodle, I think that you guys get the drift here of what I'm doing, what I'm creating. But this book has lots of different fonts, lots of different ideas in it. This is not a design from the book. This is just, looking at the book for inspiration and taking it in another direction for what I want to do. Now, you guys know I like flowers and I like being happy, and I think we all need a little cheering up right now. So I'm thinking about that song, Don't Worry, Be Happy. And I probably could have put a little bumblebee on here too. I didn't think about it until later, and then I thought, oh, maybe the next page will have some bumblebees. I don't know. But I'm just going to continue doodling and drawing. I'm filling in the area around the dots just to make it blacker. And, it's just drawing circles. This is nothing hard. This is doodling 101. Draw circles, fill in the background. Draw circles, fill in the background. Anybody can do this kind of work. If you need help with shapes and things, there are a lot of tools out on the market, that'll give you a curved line or, patterns. You can use all kinds of stencils for patterns. So don't let anything hold you back in your art. And one of the things that's fun with this is I could turn this into a coloring book page. So I could take this to the copier, I could copy it, and sit down and just have a good old time coloring because it's black and white. And then you've created your own coloring books. So you could make a whole book of these and give them to your kids or grandkids, and they're your own. So I hope you give this a try. This is a brief little introduction to my method for doodling. And nothing fancy. Check out Joanne Sharp's book. I think you may find it interesting if you're interested in creative lettering. She has a number of books, and I have several of them. There are other books on the market that are also good. I have several different ones from other authors like Lindsay Ostrom. She has some basic books, and this is a fun thing to do with kids too, because kids always love to doodle. So get out your markers, get out some paper, and do some doodling, and be happy, my friends. Remember, in this world today where you can be anything, remember to be kind and be happy. Bye, guys.